The next step involves precision cutting and shaping using advanced machinery such as CNC, computer numerical control machines. These tools ensure that each component meets exact specifications, which is vital for the smooth operation of the machinery. Following this, welding and assembly processes are conducted. Testing and quality assurance are integral parts of the process. Each piece of machinery undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. This includes checking for leaks, verifying motor performance. The principle behind these processes is to create reliable, efficient machinery capable of handling large-scale grain and oil processing tasks. By adhering to strict standards and utilizing modern technology, manufacturers can produce equipment that maximizes productivity while minimizing downtime and maintenance needs. This not only benefits the manufacturer but also provides value to end users by offering durable,